Hello guys, welcome back to Ayamobare. So it's a fine Saturday. We went to church today. It's been quite long since we went to church. So today we decided to go. And guess who I have here today? I have my good friends here. They came to visit me. Actually, you guys can't believe this girl here, she's doing YouTube. She's around 10 years. And it's so amazing. I've been really waiting for them to come this side. Finally, they're here. You can see they're here with my mom. My mom is very happy. So maybe I'll just give them time. They maybe say their names so that we can go on with the vlog of the day.
Hi guys. Hi.
Yeah, that's my mom.
Hi guys.
What's your name?
My name is Mia.
And then you have this
Hi
one.
guys.
What's your name?
My name is Adasa.
Adasa. Adasa. Yeah. So these are my good friends. They're here today. And guys, I'm gonna share you the link of our YouTube. Kindly guys, go there, subscribe, go like and share. She doesn't have a lot of videos. We are trying as much as possible to ensure that she has enough videos for you guys to watch. So you just go there, subscribe, and wait for the videos. Actually, this will be one of our videos. Yeah, it's like a collab. Yeah. So let's see what you have here today. Maybe we'll go around the chicken coop. They'll see the chicken. Maybe they'll try feeding them, and the next one will proceed. I guess they'll come here. Nitakuja na hizo mahindi. Yeah, so tunaenda tu pale. Yeah, they kind of fear. Tunaenda tu pale. Just come. Yeah. Kuja. Yeah, they fear. Weke tu mahindi. As you can see here, they're trying to feed them. They're trying to feed them. So guys, it's really nice. I feel good having guests around here. Very nice. I know by the time she'll be a grown-up, YouTube will be somewhere. Yeah? She's a big fan of mine. She likes watching my videos. She's like, oh, I wanna be like Joseph, I wanna be like Obare. So actually they're for a short break at home. So they decided to come here so that at least they can also do a video with me. Yeah. Pole, ruya itakuuma. Yeah. I'm gonna ask her some few questions. Maybe she can answer them. Yeah. So guys, we are done feeding them. Now I'm gonna ask her some few questions. Good. So what do you love doing? Oh, you know how to sing? Yeah, she saying that she loves cooking, singing and dancing. So that means her vlogs will be about cooking, singing and dancing, and maybe and swimming. Yeah, and also she likes swimming. If you check in her videos, you'll see a video where she's swimming. Yeah. So and also she seems like she likes traveling a lot. Even if you see her bio, you'll see she wants to explore the world like me. And I want you guys to go there, support her, watch the videos, like the videos, share as much as possible. Yeah, share as much as possible. As you can see, they are very excited. Yeah, they're very excited. They came here with their mom. your mom is kind of busy in the house doing something. She could come here and say hi. I don't know. Do you have something to? Do you have anything to tell the people?
Please like and subscribe, share, and even comment to my videos.
So guys, I'm gonna share you the link. You guys go there, subscribe. You can go there and like, and you can also comment. So today we are here. We are going to do a couple of videos. Hopefully, we get to do like I'm planning to do with her like 10 shots. Yeah, 10 shots plus this one video. I guess it will be somewhere. So guys, stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, like and share, and you can also comment. I am Obare and it's Mia. That's our channel. So guys, let's go there, subscribe. Let's go go there and like and also share. Bye guys, have a lovely weekend.